Welcome back to another Weekend Warriors. Today we're going to talk about how to change both the refrigerator water filter and the air filter inside your refrigerator. Let's go take a look. So I'm sitting here in front of the refrigerator now, and we want to first remove some of the stuff out the refrigerator to be able to have access to that stuff. Okay, so this is going to be your air filter, and this is going to be where your water filter is. Now, obviously, I'm talking about the refrigerator that I have, but this is this common maintenance that you need to do to these things to keep them running like they should. Typically, when the refrigerator starts smelling bad, you probably want to check the air filter. And typically, when the water is a little bit bad, you want to check the water filter. So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change the water filter. Now, we already have one. We're going to take this one out, so you just twist. And then this pops off, and you just twist this one back on in the opposite direction. Now they both goes up into there. So now the water filter is done. The air filter is basically this little carbon pad that you can get the air to go through. Kind of filters it out. So this one you twist, comes right off. This sits on the back. And we can just get this one off. And push the new one on. Okay. And then it basically just twists back in the opposite direction. So now they both are changed. Okay, so now we're here and we need to reset the lights. These lights are pretty annoying, and so we want to basically reset these so these can go back to ground zero, so they knows that the refrigerator knows that it's been changed. And so to do that, we hold. Sorry, this one is for the water reset. This one is for the filter reset. Just had it backwards. So now it's reset. We can add more ice if we want or not, but we now need to run some water through there just to cycle it through the filter again. Okay, what I want to do is I want to change it to water, and then I want to get a few of these to go through. Now that the water is getting clear, I think we're good to go. That's it for today's video. Now you got no lights on the refrigerator front. Your water filter and your air filter is now clean, and now it's time for you to be able to